Hey guys, it's Prachi and today I'll be doing a quick up close unboxing of the Guess What box. So this month you get a silver colored box which I have already by the way opened. So I kind of opened it from here, but I just wanted to show you what the packaging is like. It's really pretty. So yeah, ideally one would tear it like this. I have actually broken it from the side like this for the video. And this is what you get when you open the box. So the first thing is a thank you note which also contains product descriptions. By the way, I love how colorful this is. It's really cute and very different. And okay, so I'm just gonna take you through the products one by one. Let me focus the camera. Okay, so this is basically a tiara. Okay, it's like a fun tiara thing which you can wear, for a nice goofy party with your friends. You can also use it as a room decor. I think I might be using this in a background or just around a photo frame or something. And this is a white, it's called the white flower tiara and it's worth rupees 49. By the way, I'll put the price of the box in the description box, but I've forgotten the price right now. Now I'm gonna talk about my favorite product in this box, which surprise surprise is a bath salt. You guys know how much I love bath salts. I've mentioned it like I think for at least 100 times in the last few weeks itself. So this is a fuchsia blueberry bloom bath salt, and it's a 100-gram bath salt which retails for rupees 450. Very excited to try this one out. I have tried a couple of fuchsia bath salts before. So far my experience has been really good. So let's see how this one works for me. Then we have okay, I'm gonna talk about this one because I've already opened and tried this one out. So this is a niche rose and mohabbat perfume. Okay, that's a very Indian name. And rose a mohabbat perfume. This is a 20 ml I think bottle container, and it retails for rupees 340. Did I mention the price of the bath salt? This one is worth rupees 450. This is worth rupees 340. So this is a really nice perfume. It has a rose scent with a little bit of minty pan scent, and it's actually very nice. It's very soothing, very nice. So I really like the scent of this one. Then as you can see, there's a big box over here, so I'll just take you through that box now. Now this is a magical glowing candle lantern. Okay, it's really stunning. I'll just show it to you. So this is basically a candle lantern. It's a lantern with a little pretty candle design over here. I hope you guys can see. Let me open this actually. Okay guys, opening this is going to take a while, so okay, let me open it like this. I'm actually very excited about using this one. It looks really pretty. So you light a candle and you keep it in the lantern like this. Very elegant, right? So this is worth rupees 249. I'll probably post on Instagram and Snapchat, after lighting this thing out and showing you what it looks like. It looks really pretty. For like a nice dinner at home and you have a lot of guests coming and you want to just decorate the house with a nice few things. This could be really pretty. And then I'm gonna go to the next product, which is a baked highlighter. So this is a baking highlighter worth rupees 479 from In Color, and it's a golden highlighter. Let me open this quickly. Okay, so this is the highlighter, and it looks a lot like the Makeup Revolution highlighter. I think it's very mild. I just use like a little bit. You can definitely use more. So it's not something which is very loud. Something which can definitely be used by the beginners and for girls who like their makeup to, look natural. People like me basically. And of course, you can layer it up, use a primer, and I'm not even wearing a foundation over here. So I think over makeup this will probably be even more loud. But then of course you can use it without makeup for a more mild effect. Um, Next we have a nail art set from Enchanted. So this again very precious because it contains a lot of products of nail art, a lot of decorations and stuff, plus a filer, glue, orange stick and things like that. And this one is worth rupees 149. Then we have, what is this? Okay, yeah, these are actually very interesting. These are postcard wooden clips. These are actually wooden clips which you can use around the house. to decorate stuff, or if you have like a little board or something, or if you can actually even put like a little string and like just clip on a couple of photographs using these clips. It'll be so amazing. I just love how colorful and how cute this is very, very cute. So this one is worth rupees 248. And then we have a Mr. Fox pendant, which again is such an adorable thing, by the way. This Mr. Fox pendant is worth rupees 249. It's so cute. Let me actually open this one as well and show it to you properly. So this is what it looks like. How pretty, right? So this one is worth rupees 249. And by the way, the price for this one has not been mentioned. I kind of noticed that on the list. But this one is worth rupees 30. You can see the MRP at the back. And this is from 2 Yum. I've actually never tried this one out, so I would really be excited. And this is from 2 Yum, anytime, anywhere, as much. Chatpata Masala Fox Nuts. So these are basically fox nuts. And it's Chatpata Masala. I think it's very, very Indian. Definitely suited for my Indian taste buds. And finally, we have a Swiss Beauty Apple Red lipstick, was rupees 299. And I have got the color shade Exposed 11, and it's a nice bright red color with a slightly orangish tinge, I think. So this is the lipstick. So guys, as you can see, I got like a huge amount of stuff. Okay, let me focus the camera. As you can see, guys, a huge amount of stuff in this month's Guess What box. They have a lot of things, a huge variety of things. Like there's a perfume, there's a highlighter, there's a bath salt, there's a lantern candle, nail art stuff, then just some fun treat. So definitely a good box with a lot of stuff packed inside, a lot of things in it. There is beauty, there's cosmetic, there is just lifestyle stuff, there is food stuff. So I think this is a box which would appeal to a lot of people. Of course, jewelry, so it's got like everything. This is something again, which also makes for a great gifting option if you don't know what to gift to somebody who's really fussy about what they want as a gift and things like that. I mean, personally, I would love to get a gift of this sort. So yeah, that's what I got in my Guess What box. Oh, by the way, one very important thing I totally forgot to mention. On the box cover, there's actually a little keychain. How cute is that? Let me actually open this. I was waiting to open this, before I started making the video. So this is what the keychain looks like. So again, that is so cute. Just look at this. The shoes are really pretty. So yeah, that's what I got in my Guess What box. Again, they have not, by the way, mentioned the price of this. I thought that was like really sweet, kind of like a gift from them, I guess. So let me know, guys, what do you think about the Guess What box, and what your opinions are and stuff like that. By the way, I'll also share the website link in the description box below if you just want to check it out, if you want to get a box for yourself. And yes, guys, with that I'm going to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.